Modi onto the hot seat. Thank you for joining us today, Mr. Narendra Modi, and thrilled to have you, Mr.
It's better to be with you here.
Okay. So how do you do, Mr. Narendra Modi?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
I'm a big fan of your party, but instead, I have some questions for you. So, what is the you have known about your journey? You are Prime Minister of India. So, what was your incredible journey? So, can you share some points about your incredible journey with us?
Yes, I would like to share my points and my inspiring journey that before I was very poor and my family was diving in poverty. But after that, I tried to join the politics and slowly, gradually, I became the Prime Minister of India.
Okay. In this time, in the 2024, the India is most populated country and seventh largest country in area. So how do you handle this country?
Yes, I am not alone in the whole controlling of India. My teammates and my BJP party is supporting me from every side. So that's why I have a good support and I can handle the whole India. I can control the whole India by the supports and by the efforts of my team and for me.
Okay. I'm a watcher. So I'm asking you that the people are blaming you as a dictator.
No, I'm not
As
dictator.
to, let me continue. You are destroying the secularism of India.
I'm not destroying, I'm not demolishing the secularism in India because in every place of India we are trying
Let
to
me let me
build them.
interrupt. Let me interrupt. So why the mosques of Muslims are destroying?
Because that before that was the land of the Hindus, or there will be many conflicts of minorities to Hindus. That's why the Hindus are taking their revenge to the minorities. So it is the demolition
No.
of secularism in it.
For this works, the minority Muslims are thinking that you are the dictator.
I'm
You are
not dictator.
you are the secular, and he and then decided to didn't vote you. What do you think about it?
I'm not dictator. If they are telling me dictator, I not get any effect from their tellings and from their allegations. I know I'm dictator and I've been a good Prime Minister of India and I will be the good Prime Minister of India.
So
And I will never become a dictator like the Russia and some other countries.
Okay. So, as this election, the general election of 2024, what do you think about this election? What your party will win the election?
Yes, of course, we will only win because
No, let me interrupt. The minority people that didn't vote you because you are destroying their temples, their mosques, and the majority people blaming you as a dictator.
they are not destroying our temples. You not recognize this. You not
No.
consider. You are now only blaming the Hindus. That the minorities have also to be blamed. But you are only blaming the Hindus.
As the act of 1991,
Yes.
that was the act against the destroying of mosques. The, the judges have released the survey of Sambal Jama Masjid
Yes.
and Gnanvapi Masjid. This is against the 1991 act.
I was not.
The voters will ask you about it.
I had not.
Why are the mosques destroying?
I had not in relativity from the 1991 Act.
Why?
That was the responsibility.
That is our constitution. Our constitution are destroying in your party.
The constitution is not destroying. How can you tell the constitution is destroying? We are in the support of the constitution. We are not changing the constitution. We are not against the constitution.
The destroying of mosque, Sambal Jama Mosque, and there was the mosque of Gnanvapi Mosque. This is against the Act of 1991. The 1991 Act is in the Constitution of India.
I have told you before.
It is against the Act of. It is against the Constitution of India.
Yes, I know that is against, but I have told you before, I am not in relativity from the an
Why you
act of
didn't relate from these issues? You are the Prime Minister of India.
I was in the other works and the responsibility of that 1991
No.
Act is
You have more than works. You decided as the President, Prime Minister of India, because you have the capability to show the India.
yes, I have the capability to become the Prime Minister in India. If I would not be, capable.
Okay, finally, we're destroying our topic. So, what kind of message you want to deliver for your audience, for your followers, also for your haters?
I would like to deliver that. I request them to not consider me as a dictator because I'm not a dictator. I'm just a good thinker of the society or the India. But the people, but the citizens of India are considering me as a dictator. So that is not truth. And I will also try my best to make our India good and better in democracy.
So thank you, Mr. Narendra Modi, for joining us today. And thank you for you all for joining us today on the Face-to-Face Series 2020. Face-to-Face will be stay curious, stay inspired. So thank you for you all. Thank you. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.